I previously uploaded a raw footage video of David Payne's awesome sounding Commodore Ute, but since then the Ute has changed hands, so I thought I'd take a more in-depth look at it and its history. Interestingly, the Ute started out as one of Charlie Handlebars Kovac's race cars for the popular V8 Ute series.
Day one, yes, and the category was looking for nicknames, and someone suggested Handlebars, and it sort of stuck.
And Wade, Charlie Kovac's car 69, he's involved in everything.
Handlebars Kovacs, he's known Aaron as affable South Australian who at one point held the Guinness Book of Records for the highest speed ever clocked with a caravan behind an EA Ford. I think it was like...
As the VZ model got phased out of the series, the Ute made its way to Tasmania with new owner Leighton Barker.
Leads the way. Oh, there's more rubbing between these.
Barker raced the Ute in the Tasmanian State Championship and competed in Targa, Tasmania with it. Unfortunately, in the 2012 event, Barker slid off the road and ended up in a ditch. The Ute was repaired, repainted black and continued to compete sporadically in the Tasmanian Circuit Racing Championship before being sold to Payne as a rolling shell. Payne fitted the Ute with an LS3 and had his first race in it in 2016 and was doing 61s around Baskerville. Interestingly, Payne would also buy Barker's Commodore, seen here just behind the Ute, which he still races to this day. Since that first race meeting, Payne evolved the Ute into a formidable race car. The 6.2 litre LS3 features CNC ported heads, a 92mm big mouth throttle body, all run by a Motec M800 ECU. A large PWR radiator is fitted, and to cope with extra cornering forces and reduce oil starvation, an extended sump with accumulator is also fitted. The exhaust starts with pacemaker extractors, which then feed into two 3-inch side pipes with a single race spec muffler fitted in between. Power is around 370 rear wheel kilowatts. The gearbox is a Malwood T56 and the diff is fitted with a Kaz LSD and an external oil pump and cooler to keep diff oil temps in check. Brakes are the original V8 Brute AP control brake package front and rear. Front struts are Drummond Motorsport coilovers, while at the rear are Bilstein shocks with squashed Commodore sedan rear springs. Payne is also a suspension setup guru, and his suspension business AlignTech is responsible for setting up many of the quickest southern Tasmanian based race cars. The front air dam is a V8 supercar front bar, while the tonneau cover at the rear features a unique moulded-in VL Group A spoiler. Prior to selling the Ute, Payne improved on his 61s at Baskerville in 2016 to consistent 58s, and like Barker before him, likes to put on a show.